Hello guys, it's my CBJ here, and today I'm going to show you some of my Hey Duggee toys. Hello guys, this is Matt CBJ here, and today I'm going to show you some of my Hey Duggee toys. So we're going to start with the wooden catalog clubhouse with characters. So let's open this up. So this is what it looks like here. Got the front here of the clubhouse. Now on the side here, got a window. And there's the back side, with the door and window, where the squirrels can see what's out there. And here's the other side. Good. Now I'm going to just gently open this up to show you what it looks like inside. So this is what it comes with. It comes with all the skulls and Duggee. So you got Rolly, Duggee, Betty, Happy, Tag, and Nori. And you can tell by the background inside, they're in the playroom. So yeah, so these are nice ones. I'm going to show you them here. Here's Tag, Happy, Nori, Betty, Rolly, and of course, Duggee. So these are all the wooden figures they come with. This is great like for a puppet show or a wooden show. Then when you're done playing with them, it's easy to store them back gently. Then when you're done, just close it back up. And that's how the Duggee wooden carrier along clubhouse looks like. So let's see what's inside this box. Open it up here. So first up we get this, and this is like the map for the toys. So if you lay it out like this, then you can see two Duggees on each side and the logo on the top and bottom. So you can see different little tiny Duggee and squirrels on them. Then on the back side, you've got this. So this is like the mat for all the toys here. Like you've got lots of little tiny footprints. This is the muddy ditch here, like the farm. So I'm going to show you all the toys, see what they look like. So this is the bus. See, Duggee and the squirrels are riding on it. There's the front. The other side's just the same. There's the back. And the cool thing, it has working wheels. So it can go on the path. Beep beep. So then next up, you got the tractor here, and Farmer Duggee is driving it. So you can see it's carrying lots of different vegetables like onions, corn, zucchinis, and there's carrots too. And again, it has working wheels. So it can go here, like it's ploughing the farm, ploughing the seeds in the sand. So then, you got this post van here, and Duggee is driving it. There's the front. The other side's exactly the same. And the back. Again, it has working wheels. So now we'll have to go here. Now I'm going to show you some of the little pieces here. We've got a bush here. Here's a tree. And you also got this here. This is a wigwam. Put that there. And then here's a tent. Side, front, the other side, the back. Put that there. Then you've got like one piece of hay here. Then you've got the figure of Dougie here. Dougie himself. And here we have like a winter pine tree. Put that there. And then you've got another piece of hay. Then here's Nori. Another pine tree. And they got some more of them here. This is Tag. We have another triangle tree. And you got the barn here. The barn where the animals sleep. And then you got the clubhouse. Then you've got some more pieces of hay here. So you can put them all together. Another bush. Got an orange piece of hay. This is Happy, and this is Rolly. Here's Betty. And I got some more bushes. And some more trees. There's another one. Here's one more piece of hay. This is the post box. Then got the bush here. Another bush. Put as many bushes as you like. Then you got the naughty monkey. Happy face. And here's Enid, the cat. And that's everything. So this is like a nice, cool wooden play set. You can probably use this for an adventure. So you've got the bus, post van, clubhouse, tractor, all the wooden figures, bushes, trees, the barn, the tent, bales of hay, and of course the wigwam. So doesn't it look great? So that is the whole entire Dougie wooden country set. So let me show you all the wooden figures that you come with. Put them in a line like this. It's Betty, Tag, Nori, Rolly, there's Happy, Naughty Monkey, Enid the cat, and of course Dougie. You can turn the bus around. Let's take a look. So this is a nice wooden play set. You could probably use this for an adventures. This is fantastic. So that is the whole entire Dougie country set. So now I'm going to show you the Dougie wooden train set. So let's open this up. Pull it out. So this is the carriage here, and the scrolls are inside. And then, of course, you also got the train here. Choo-choo. And Dougie is driving it. The cool thing about them is that you can take off the top. The scores are inside. I'll show you them one by one. So here's Tag, Nori, here's Happy, Roly, and Betty. See, they got little holes in them. So these are what they all look like here. And the cool thing about them is that some of them have furry ears. So here's the carriage here. There's working wheels. And here's Dougie as the train driver. Here he is here, like it's got... His ears are made of cloth. He's wearing on his train suit and his train hat. So he can drive the train. So there you go, all the 6 figures there. Roly, Happy, Nori, Tag, Betty, and Dougie. So this is what the train looks like. So the cool thing about them is that they connect together. Of course, they've got working wheels. And this is what the 2 wings look like, all around. Then you can place them on the top of the train. And then the cool thing about it also has like a yellow line here. So it can pull along the train, like this. And that's not all. Watch this. If you press this button here, it will make some tooting train sounds. So here's a good hear of them. And then here on the front, it will light up. Cool. You can have a listen to the music. So good look at the train. This is the front. Inside. Then it's the back. Then I'll show you the carriage. To one side. Front, the other side, and here's the back. So then you connect the train together again, and you can open up the flaps, and then you can put all the scores inside. So that they all are inside. So, then we put Dougie in front of the cab. Put this on. And now everyone can go for a train ride. Choo choo. Choo choo. So this is a nice cool looking train here. A wooden Dougie train. You can probably use this for the floor as well. This can go on the floor too. So, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like my Hey Dougie wooden toys. Please help me with your thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. You will help me a lot. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.